Articles of association are legal documents that outline the rules and regulations that a company must follow. They're adopted during the incorporation process and define the rights and responsibilities of the company's officers and shareholders. Articles of association cover a range of topics, including the procedures of appointing and removing company officers, how decisions are made, and the procedures for issuing and transferring company shares. Now that all sounds super complicated, but don't worry, because in this video we're going to break it down for you into easy, bite-sized chunks. Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we make forming your company as easy as ABC. In this video, we're going to explore the Articles of Association and whether your company needs them. We'll also provide you with some useful tips on how to create your own Articles of Association. So what are Articles of Association and why are they important? Well, Articles of Association are important because they provide a clear framework for how a company should operate. They help to ensure that all company decisions are made in a fair and transparent manner, and that the rights of all shareholders are protected. Articles of Association also help to prevent disputes between shareholders and officers by clearly defining the roles and responsibilities of each party. Yes, all limited companies in the UK must have Articles of Association. However, most companies adopt the model Articles of Association, which will be provided for you automatically by us at yourcompanyformations.co.uk if you choose a package that we provide. Or if you decide to go to another company elsewhere, they may also provide you those details. So you don't have to worry about drafting your own. You can simply use this default set of articles that most companies choose to use, and therefore there's nothing more to be done. And you would essentially adopt the articles that were relevant to your type of company in their entirety. It's a good base to start with, especially if you're only a small company or you just don't wish to create your own. However, if you feel limited by the default propositions, you may wish to create your own, in which case they must be compliant with the Companies Act of 2006, which, in case you didn't know, was an Act of Parliament in the United Kingdom which forms the primary source of UK company law. So just in case you do decide to create your own Articles of Association, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Now, I did just say this before, but I feel it needs repeating, as it's quite an important point. Make sure that your Articles of Association are compliant with the Companies Act of 2006. You can find the full details of the Act by doing a quick internet search, or you can give us a call here if it's something you're unsure about, and let our team give you any advice you may need. Second, ensure that your Articles of Association are tailored to the specific needs of your company. And finally, it's important to keep your Articles of Association up to date and make any necessary changes as your company grows and evolves. Here are some tips to help you create your own Articles of Association. Define the purpose of your company. This will help you to determine the scope of the Articles of Association and types of provisions that you may need to include. Identify the shareholders. Identify the shareholders of your company and define their rights and responsibilities. This will help to ensure that all shareholders are treated fairly and that their interests are protected. Define the officers. Define the officers of your company and their roles and responsibilities. This will help to ensure that all company decisions are made in a fair and transparent manner. Outline the decision-making process. This will help to ensure that all decisions are made in a fair and transparent manner as well, and that all rights of shareholders are protected. Include provisions for share issuance and transfer. This will help to ensure that all share transactions are conducted in a fair and transparent manner. Articles of Association are an essential legal document that all limited companies in the UK must have. They define the rules and regulations that a company must follow and are adopted during the incorporation process. If you're thinking of starting a company, it's important to understand what Articles of Association are and how they can benefit your business. But if you're worried about all the corporate jargon and you just want to get on with it and make your company a success, just drop us a line here at yourcompanyformations.co.uk and one of our friendly team can walk you through the process. Or feel free to check out our blog posts, which will be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.